Today I am going to show you how I made this squirrel bench or squirrel feeder all from reclaimed wood. This was requested by one of my friends and I thought this would be a great summer project. So let's get into it.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
First I picked out a few scrap pieces and then cut them to size, and now I'm just getting ready to assemble. These pieces are cut at an angle of 30 degrees. This will be the main frame of the bench. For this project I did not have to plan as much, I just figured out the dimensions as I went along. So that's the main frame, the bench and the tabletop all cut out ready for assembly. I'm just attaching a scrap piece of wood diagonally on the underside of the tabletop to keep everything in position. I'm just adding a brace underneath for structural strength. This will keep the main frame in place when I attach the bench and the tabletop. So at this point I realized the tabletop could do with 2 extra slats, so 1 on each side. So then I went on and just made that and then added that on and added a further longer brace to connect them all. It's starting to look like a bench now. Very impressed with it. I really like the gaps that I've made, which creates a more of a realistic detailed look. I'm adding weighted items on top of the bench so the glue can dry. So that's the bench done, nice and sturdy, and now I'm just gonna add a layer of polyurethane. This gives it a bit of a shine and adds protection against the weather. At this point I realized if I could make this miniature bench, I could easily make a adult size bench using larger pieces of wood. But if I did not make this, I would be very nervous making that.
Are the squirrels already gone?
Yes.
That goes on the other side, and that goes on the other side. Why did not squirrels are coming?
You have to wait.
I am waiting.
We have to wait like in the house. We can't stand in front of it, okay?
Yes.
So then if they see us, they won't come.
Do the squirrels sit there?
Yeah, they will sit here and they'll eat from the table.
Yes. Baby squirrel go up.
They climb, they can climb.
No, they don't. Oh, yeah, through there. And their daddy can pick them up.
If you enjoyed this video, remember to click like as it helps the channel, and also subscribe to not miss out on upcoming projects. Thank you.